Here we got 1955 Chevy pickup model 3100. Probably has a 6-cylinder, I'm assuming, big 6 or something. It's kind of like a grayish silver color, with some gold in it, sort of. I don't know. 5-spoke wheels, like that would have been aftermarket from back then. Inside looks good. You got a 3 and a tree. Chevy up there in the seat. Ah, here we go. 292, the big 6. They used that 292 for a gazillion years, man. I remember driving one of them. Ate a lot of gas though. But maybe not with that 700 R4 trans. She goes by Cinderella. You got the trunk in the back here. Looking good. Needs to be a rebel flag though.